Off they go. A good start for Shelly. There's a race. Storming away. Trying to go forward. It's Williams. It's Fraser Price.
So Shelly and Fraser Pryce won the race at the JAAA Foray 3 and she blasted a time of 11.15 seconds, which is definitely better than Elaine Thomson Herah first season opener. A big shout out to Shelly and Fraser Price. This shows that her 2024 season is definitely going to be a serious one, and it also means that Paris Olympic definitely will favor Shelly and Fraser Price. What I mean is, she is definitely going to have a chance to be part of the conversation. Definitely, she will be aiming to defeat and revenge against Sha'Carri Richardson and what Sha'Carri did to her at last year Budapest World Athletic Championship. Let me hear your opinions about Shelly race today. Do you believe after this race at the Paris and National Trials she will have a chance to defend her title? Let me hear your opinions, and also don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.